You're going to make a volcano,
Gabriel? This is baking soda. Now we have to have red lava, right?
He wants green, remember?
No. He wants it in the green thing. But lava's red and hot, right?
You need vinegar.
Is that too much, Mama,
wait.
baking soda?
Is that lava?
It's gonna be.
Why? Okay, now.
Ooh.
It's magma while it's still in the earth. We call it magma. It's only lava when it comes out. Are you ready?
Yes, I think we are. Oh, they'll do it again.
Volcano. Okay. Shall we make it erupt?
Yeah.
Please wait.
He said, oopsie.
Smells really bad.
Okay. One more eruption. Another eruption.
Another eruption?
Oh no, the lava's going everywhere. Oh.
It's not.
Gabriel, you
Why
want
is
a
it bubbling
volcano?
up, girls and Marty? Does anybody know?
I don't think the lava's a mix with that.
Marty would tell you, but
The baking
he
soda.
doesn't have any good language to
See,
use.
it's baking soda and vinegar releases a gas called carbon dioxide.
Oh.
Carbon dioxide is what puts bubbles in your soda. Well, that's what's making it bubble up. Carbon
Is that what-
dioxide.